Welcome back to NZCS Tech Tips. Today, we're going to be showing you how to check and install Windows updates. Firstly, we're going to open the Start menu. We can do this by clicking on our Windows icon from our keyboard here. Then we're going to type in check, scroll down to check for updates, and then we're going to click on check for new updates. This one has failed, so we're going to retry all. This will also search for new updates. Once updates are found, these will be downloaded and then installed. Updates can take about 3 to 5 minutes to install, however, they are really important at keeping us safe and secure in an online world. Updates are really important to provide new bug fixes, patch security flaws, get new features, protect your data, improve performance of your computer, and ensure that you're always compatible with the new technology that's out there. That's now completed, so another way that you can check for updates is open the Start menu, head to Settings, and scroll down until you can see Windows Update. And then check for new updates, and you'll be all good to go. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more of NZCS's Tech Tips.